Hi everyone, today we install 10.25 Android screen for 2016 BMW 4 Series with the M package. This is the screen that we install, and also we add backup camera to this vehicle. So let's get into the vehicle and take a look. As you can see right now, we are on the Android side. This is the newest UI with ID7, and the factory iDrive is still retained on the Android systems. And we also add a OEM fit dash cam on this vehicle. For the OEM fit dash cam, we can also check on the Android screen, which is going to HD DVR to show the DVR on the Android screen. By press the menu buttons, we can go to the main menu of the Android systems, and we add also wire CarPlay. Also can add wireless CarPlay on this unit. If you ordering the unit, please, any question, let us know. But we do sell wire and wireless CarPlay for this 10.25 BMW Android screen. And we gonna go navigation, which is you can install the offline map as a navigation, or you can do Google Maps with internet connection as a navigations. Bluetooth, you can use our Android Bluetooth to play Bluetooth music if your vehicle doesn't come with Bluetooth music functions. And this is the music. You can play music through the USB stick. This unit comes with 2 USB ports, so you can download the music to your USB stick and plug it in, and also you can copy the music file into the internal hard drive. The video, you can also play video, and this is the car info, it back to the factory side. This factory system comes with navigations and Bluetooth music also, so you can do Bluetooth music on this system. So another function is the dashboard to show the RPM of the vehicle and kilometers. When you're pushing the gas, it changes the RPM. And also you can change different type of mode, comfort, you can change energy. So let's back to the main menu and go to the apps. So next video we're gonna show you how to use the CarPlay and how to connect the CarPlay to a wireless CarPlay dongle and wired CarPlay dongle.